The night was heavy. Silent. But I could feel him. Marcus. Watching. Adrian didn't leave my side. He checked the windows. The locks. The shadows. Every sound made him tense. Then it happened. Glass shattered. The front door burst open. Marcus's men poured inside. I screamed. Adrian pulled me behind him. His gun was steady. His voice low. Stay down. The men rushed forward. Shots fired. The house shook with noise. My heart pounded. I covered my ears. But I couldn't shut it out. Adrian moved like a shadow. Precise. Deadly. Protecting me with every breath. But Marcus wasn't with them. Not yet. This was just a message. A warning wrapped in violence. When the last man fell, silence returned. Only my sobs filled the room. Adrian stood over me, breathing hard. His shirt torn. His arm bleeding. Adrian, you're hurt. I cried. He shook his head. It's nothing. But you're safe. That's all that matters. But I knew it wasn't over. Because Marcus always wanted the final word. And that night, it came. My phone buzzed. A message. Beautiful fight. But next time, I'll come myself. And Olivia. You'll beg to be mine. I dropped the phone. Terror consumed me. Marcus was coming. And no wall, no lock, no man could stop him forever. Part 8, the final confrontation. The next day, Adrian made a choice. A dangerous one. We can't keep running, he said. We end this. Now. I shook my head. Fear swallowed me whole. How? He's stronger. He's powerful. He'll kill us both. Adrian's eyes locked on mine. No. Because fear only works if you let it. We take the fight to him. My voice trembled. And if we fail? Then at least we tried. At least you won't spend your life as his prisoner. His words hit me like fire. He was right. I couldn't live like this. Not anymore. That night, we went to him. Marcus's mansion. The place where all my nightmares began. The gates stood tall. Guards everywhere. But Adrian had a plan. We moved through the shadows. Silent. Swift. I could barely breathe. Then, inside the mansion, I saw him. Marcus. Waiting. His smile wide. Cruel. Dark. Well, he said. My Olivia. I knew you'd come back. I froze. His voice wrapped around me like chains. But Adrian stepped forward. No. She didn't come back to you. She came to end this. Marcus laughed. Deep. Cold. You think you can take me? You're nothing, Adrian. And he pointed at me. She was always mine. The room filled with fire. Anger. Fear. Pain. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't move. But then, something shifted. I remembered the fire at the bakery. The threats. The fear. The way Marcus stole every piece of my life. And I found my voice. No, I said. I was never yours. And I never will be. Marcus's face twisted. Rage consumed him. He lunged. Adrian fired. The world exploded in noise. Screams. Chaos. Blood. When it was over, Marcus lay on the floor. His eyes wide. His smile gone. The monster was dead. I collapsed. Shaking. Sobbing. Free. Adrian held me. His voice soft. It's over. You're safe now. The sun rose the next morning. For the first time in months, I breathed without fear. The bakery was gone. The memories scarred. But I was alive. And so was Ethan. So was Lily. Adrian stayed beside me. Silent. Steady. Watching the horizon as the light broke through the darkness. I whispered, "What now?" He looked at me. His eyes softer than I'd ever seen. "Now, you live. You start again. And maybe, if you'll let me, I'll be there with you." My heart trembled. Not with fear. Not with pain. But with hope. Because after everything, the fire, the threats, the battles, the tears, I finally had a choice. And this time, it was mine. Thank you for watching this emotional love story on the Love Chapter by Aree. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heart-touching stories. Tell us in the comments which country or place you are watching from. We'd love to know where our family of viewers is growing around the world.